That's what I'm talking about.
Right, so our relationship started about 10 years ago when the first aircraft flew in. We found this facility, our program manager actually, and the main purpose is to have them painted, so it helps with the corrosion and the overall maintenance of the aircraft, so to keep it in a good shape. And then aesthetics are a second thing, obviously, that they look nice, right? So, you know, when they come back, they basically look like new. And it's been amazing to see how you guys provide the maintenance and the painting as well. Exactly, yeah, it's like maintaining your car as well, you know. If you don't do any maintenance over many years, it will break down hard on you. So, and then especially with all the equipment and the avionics in this aircraft, it's super important to keep that, you know, to keep the maintenance at a high level, high standard. We're fully in a transition to the F-35. We already have F-35s flying in the Netherlands right now, and new pilots are trained every day in Luke Air Force Base in Phoenix right now. So we will fly the F-16 till 2024, but then from that moment on we'll be fully F-35. So we brought a nice litho with all, you know, the pilot signatures on there as a token of appreciation for all the, you know, great work you guys have done. And then secondly, we brought a nice picture with a saying that you guys did an outstanding job. And lastly, we brought a metal frame from the Netherlands which shows the two fighter bases as well. So you guys can hang that on the wall and, you know, see what the Netherlands looks like and remember our great relationship, which, you know, have been there for 10 years already. So.